Hello everyone, welcome to AAPS tutorial. This is Tulsi. Today we are going to talk about some more useful tags in HTML. The tags which we have seen till now are used in HTML4 as well as HTML5. But HTML5 came up with many more new tags, making it easier for the users to work with the structure of the website. HTML5 introduced many new block level tags which included containers such as article, section, aside and main tag, HR tag, address tag, blockquote tag, details along with the summary tag. The article tag should be complete and independent on its own. Article type can be present inside a website representing the news story, blog post in a blog. The section tags or block presents inside the article elements which represent the section of that article. Placed as a sidebar in the website, the aside tag is used to indirectly highlight the important surrounding content on the website. The main tag is much similar to the body tag and contains the primary content of the website. Horizontal rule and is used to insert a line which act as a thematic break for a particular sections on the website. The address tag is used to represent the personal details such as a phone number, address, email or URL to contact the owner of the website. HTML5 has also introduced a tag for quoting the text from another source which no longer needs a separate formatting. This tag is known as a blockquote tag in HTML. The details tag is used along with the summary which can be opened if desired by the users by clicking on the heading which is represented by the summary tag. Here is a diagram which represents the sequence in which the new tags in HTML5 can be used. The header is the first tag which should be declared by a user while coding a website. The nav tag is used to declare the navigation bar. After completing the navigation bar, the article and aside tag comes into the picture, declaring the main content of the website. At last, the footer tag is used to declare the important information and links of the website. The inline tags introduced in HTML5 include the span tag, which is used to represent the inline content on the website. Tag is used to provide reference or title to a work or quoted content from books, research papers, blog spots, etc. The ABBR tag is an abbreviation tag used to represent the long phrases or words such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTTP, www, etc. HTML5 has also introduced the tag for defining the specific time or their date time on the website in the 24 hours format. A code tag has been specified to use the computer code in the form of content for the website or web pages. The sub and super are used to add the subscriptions or superscripts to the text on the website. The last type of tag are interactivity tags. The tags such as a button, meter, progress, iframe, map, along with the area are used to add some interactivity on the website. We will see an example of each of these in the next video, which will be about the demo of these useful tags. Let's end this video with a short summary about these useful tags. Finally, I would like to conclude with the following points. Block level tags or leave blank line before and after the element. Inline tags cover only the space required by the content. Interactivity tags are used with the JavaScript as they need the user's interactivity to work. Hope you liked the video and learned something new today. Thank you. Click the subscribe button to stay updated with our recent videos.